Before we begin, I want to make sure that you have the class materials. You can find those on the class website, the class page. You scroll down to the bottom and you can see all those class materials there. Download those and then make sure you put them in a location on your computer that is easily accessible. I have put them on the desktop on my computer here. Now there are two things that we want. The first is our training workbook, and you can see that it has all kinds of information. It goes over all the things that we're going to be talking about in the class. And then it has a little bit of extra information here and there and some of the shortcut keys and things that you might want to refer to later on. You can also use it to take notes. And so make sure that you have the workbook so you can follow along at home. And then the other thing is we have the class materials. These class materials are what we're going to be using. Now, one thing to note is once you install these and put them on a great place on your hard drive, make sure that you notice that some of these files have different file extensions. They're not the same kind of file. So for example, WANA has wana.dng, wana.jpeg, wana.psd. So there are three WANA files, but one of them is a raw file, one of them is a JPEG file, one of them is a Photoshop file. So as we're going through the exercises, I'll be very specific as to which one of these files you need to choose, and we'll be explaining why there are different file types and all of that kind of stuff. Okay, now that you have the sample files installed on your computer, it's time for us to get going and open our very first file.